Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well today. I want to welcome you to my channel. This is Lorraine, and today what I would like to share with you is I'm going to do kind of a puddle pour on this 12-inch by 12-inch canvas, and then I'm going to swipe it. So what I am using is I have some violet, I have an ultramarine, I have an emerald, turquoise, some quinacridone magenta, and some cad yellow light. And also have some white. I'm going to start by putting a puddle of white. Might have to get another bottle of white here. Didn't realize how low that one was. It's okay. I pre-mixed this, so it's all good. So I'm going to get that spread out on the canvas. And that's full of bubbles because I just shook it. Okay, so here we go. We have a canvas covered with our white Artist Loft paint mixed with Floetrol. Looks like that edge didn't quite get it. Give it a touch. There we go. And I'm just going to start out by making some puddles with my different colors. Some yellow, because I like these colors next to each other. And this is a cadmium yellow and light hue, so it's pretty cool. Put on some ultramarine. And then, how about some turquoise? And some magenta. And I'm going to put just a touch of emerald in here. Not a lot. Okay, and I'm just going to move this around the canvas. Get a nice coverage. Go right down off that corner. Bring it back. Okay. That's pretty cool looking right there. I know it doesn't look like much, but we'll see what happens here when I swipe it. Get rid of the air bubbles. Now there's no silicone or anything in these paints. So what I'm going to do now, I've done this before in one of my last videos. I'm going to take my piece of plastic, this is a file divider, and I'm going to put my black paint that's mixed. This is Amsterdam acrylic paint mixed with Australian Floetrol. And I'm just going to put that all along the edge of this so that I can swipe it out And I'm going to swipe it down towards me. Set it right in the middle. And pull it very slowly down over these colors. Put some of that color back on the edge, like that. Clean this up. And put just a tiny bit on the corner here and get the very sides. Okay, come in here with a little bit of an overlap. Pull it down. Clean that up. Do it again on the other side. Okay, I'm going to turn it around like this. Make sure I have a clean surface to start with. And again, I'm just putting the paint on the edge of my file divider here, my swiping tool. And I'm going to pull it down through. This time I'm going to make sure I get this edge. Some nice contact. And very slowly bring it down. Wipe what's left off on that edge so I have a nice edge coverage. And then I'm going to get this edge over here. I'm going to put just a little bit of my ultramarine right here behind where I want to start to swipe because it's all white there. Start in the white, just pull it down very, very slowly. Just like that. Turn it around, wipe it off on the edge, get that covered, and just like that. Wow, check that out. Just going to move it back and forth a little bit. There's quite a lot of paint on here. So I'm just going to bring it down to cover my ends. Bring it back a little bit so that it goes over the edge. Just want it to cover so that I have nice lacing down the edge of the canvas as well. And bring it back up and center that line. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so I'm just stretching these out a little bit more. Pulling the cells across. I get a little drip in there. It's going to bother me. But let me show you a close-up here. Look at this amazing lacing. That is so pretty. The multiple colors coming through. Up here where the green is. And even where it's just white, it looks so pretty. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I want to tell you thank you for watching. Thank you for your subscription to my channel. And I will see you next time. Bye.